write such a book? I mean, what was the idea?
See, a book of this kind requires a lot of research. The initiation might be very simple. Even the longest journey starts with a single step. I was taking online classes way back in 2004, I believe, and a person by name Ashish Agarwal from Delhi, later headed operations for S Bank, was actually being taught at the time. And at the time, he was listening to my classes, and he already went through the materials that were available at the time, and he gave me the idea. See, why don't your pattern of teaching is basically different? Why don't you try your hand to put this on paper so that students can get benefited? So I think from that moment onwards, I started planning this book, and later a person by name Vikas Agarwal from Hyderabad also encouraged me a lot. He is an NRI, and at the time he was in US, and he too was taught online. And maybe the encouragement given by these two persons was the genesis of this book. And coming to the time frame, it really took 7.5 years for me to start the book and launch the book.
7.5 years?
7.5 years.
Why did it take so long?
The reason is simple. Writing a book is different from writing a book for academic examinations. When we want to write a book for academic examinations, we need to do a lot of research. In the classroom, we need to teach whatever we are taught is to be tested on the students, and whatever we write is to be tested on the students. We must identify how the students are going wrong and where they are going wrong. We must analyze their failures as well as successes. And so over a period of time, say 4 to 5 years, we identified a regular pattern that resulted in a kind of basic generalizations that form the skeleton of the book. So all this process cannot be done over a short period of time. If we do it in 1 year or 2 years time, naturally the sample we are working on is going to be a bit limited sample. So any sample that way considered is not good. It cannot be representative of the student community. So that is why it really took approximately 4.5 years to develop this particular project.
So you named 2 students who said that the teaching method that you follow is different from the others.
Yes.
So I mean that might have been translated into the book also.
Yes, very much.
So I mean, how different is your book from the books available in the market right now?
See, when we want to answer a question of this kind in the examination, the important thing is, what is the teacher's role? Should we give them fish to have food for a meal, or should we teach them fishing, enabling them to have the food for life is the basic fundamental question we need to keep in mind. What happened was, most of the books that are available on the subject are basically oversimplified. They just give 7 or 8 types of examples, errors, and they analyze those errors, and then they give some examples on that, and they give practice like that. Organic development of the subject is quite essential for a book of this kind. So I believe the